Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this first Monday of November. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. This is your national coast-to-coast forecast, which today is brought to you by ServPro, helping make fire and water damage like it never even happened. All right, national forecast today calls for some warmer conditions very briefly in the midsection of the nation. I know it was cold over the weekend, even some snowfall in portions of the eastern U.S. Some southern rainfall really racking up today and tomorrow, and then more snow potential in a few areas as we get into the week ahead. All right, here's our rainfall forecast, and this is going to go out through Wednesday morning. You can really see some of the heaviest tallies over the central and southern plains, especially over central and west Texas and central Oklahoma. These are rainfall tallies that could be approaching a few inches anyway, and then the rainfall forecast or precipitation forecast in the northwest. British Columbia really shows some decent moisture there. We have a very large area of low pressure over the Aleutian Islands of Alaska, and that's helping to tug in a lot of that Pacific moisture and kind of deposit it there. Highest elevations looking at some snowfall, of course. And as we transition into the lower 48, we've got a high amplitude weather pattern, a trough here, a ridge building in the central U.S., and then another trough in the eastern U.S. This is the one that brought some very heavy snowfall to places in upstate Maine and places in the northern New England states. But out ahead of that ridge, we're going to start to warm up a little bit, which is going to be, again, very briefly lived, because in its wake, we have several clipper systems that'll be rolling through, and this is going to really help to chill things down again. We'll stay a little bit on the warmer side in that ridge out in the southwestern U.S., but look at this into early next week, some very cold air moving on in. Again, where we do have this colder air, there could be some lake effect snow showers developing early next week, but some snowfall potential as you get into the western U.S. Denver today, 12 degrees below average, 7 degrees above average. In St. Louis as we top out near 70.